Hello and welcome to this gentle yoga practice, a beginner-friendly yoga routine to help you relax and recharge. When you're ready, we'll begin in a seated position, bringing the legs into a diamond shape. Rest your hands on your legs, close your eyes, and deepen your breath. Taking the first few moments of this practice to focus on your body and be present. If it helps you to concentrate, you can count the length of your inhale and exhale, breathing in for 4 and out for 4. Open your eyes, bring your knees together, and hold onto the backs of your legs. With your inhale, arch your back and gaze up. As you exhale, round the back and bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, opening the chest. Exhale, rounding the back. Continue moving in synchronization with your breath. Come back through center. Straighten the right leg, keep the left bent, and bring the foot to the inside of the right thigh. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, fold forward. Option to bend the right knee here to make this more accessible. Pause and focus your attention on your breath. Inhale and lift back up. Hug the left knee into your chest and wrap the right arm around the leg. Exhale and twist to the left, gazing over the left shoulder. With each inhale, sit up tall. With each exhale, twist. Without forcing anything, adjust your posture as you breathe. Release your twist. Open the left knee out to the side and turn your torso to the side. Place the right hand on the inside of your leg and reach the left arm overhead to bend to the side. Pause and come back to your breath. Inhale, sit back up, and we'll switch sides. Extend the left leg and bend the right knee, bringing the foot to the inside of the left thigh. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, fold forward. Option to bend the left knee to make this more accessible. Inhale and lift back up. Hug the right knee into your chest and wrap the left arm around the leg. Exhale and twist to the right, gazing over the right shoulder. With each inhale, sit up tall. With each exhale, twist. Without forcing anything, adjust your posture as you breathe. Release your twist. Open the right knee out to the side and turn your torso to the side. Place the left hand on the inside of your leg and reach the right arm overhead to bend to the side. Pause and come back to your breath here, breathing in for 4 and out for 4. Turn to face forward and extend the right leg. Inhale, relax your shoulders, lengthen your spine. Exhale to fold forward. Option to keep a bend in the knees to make this more accessible. Slowly lift back up and lie down on your back. Keep your knees bent and bring your feet close to the backs of your hips. Inhale, press through your heels and lift your hips to come up into bridge. Option to clasp the hands together to help you lift the chest. Continue to engage the glutes as we pause here. Take a final deep breath in. As you exhale, roll down the back from the upper, middle, lower back down. Hug the right knee into your chest and hold it here. Deepen your breath and focus on the body. Inhale in position. As you exhale, draw the leg to the left side to come into a supine twist. Extend the right arm out to the side and turn the head to look to the right if it feels okay for your neck. Find stillness as we pause here. Release the twist and switch legs, hugging the left leg into your chest. Deepen your breath as we pause here. Inhale in position. Exhale and draw the leg to the right side to come into a supine twist, extending the left arm out to the side and turning the head to the left if it feels okay for your neck. Come back to a steady breath, breathing in for 4 and out for 4. Release the twist and extend the left leg. Relax your arms by your side and settle into Savasana, finding complete stillness for the next few moments. Bring your awareness back to your body and your breath. Gently start to move the fingers and toes as you wake your body up. With an inhale, reach the arms overhead and find a full body stretch. As you exhale, hug the knees into your chest and roll onto your side. Take a few moments here to adjust. And join me back in a seated position when you feel ready. Place the right hand under your thigh and tilt your head to the left to find a stretch down the right side of the neck. Pause and breathe deeply, letting the muscles in the neck release any built-up tension. Come back through center and we'll switch sides. Place the left hand underneath your thigh and tilt the head to the right. Without forcing it, let the tension in your neck gradually ease away. Come back through center. Rest your hands on your knees. Inhale and lift the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale and roll them back and down. Inhale, lift the shoulders. Exhale, roll them away. Final time. Inhale to lift the shoulders. Exhale to roll them back and down. Then place one hand on top of the other in your lap. And for these final moments, come back to your breath. Breathing in for a count of 4 and out for a count of 4. If the mind starts to wander, come back to the awareness of your inhale and exhale. Feel the lungs expand with your inhale and feel the lungs deflate and your chest relax as you exhale. Take a final breath in and out and open your eyes. Thank you for your time and energy. I hope this class left you feeling relaxed and recharged. Take care, and I'll see you next time.